Well, hello, good people. Mark Holmes here, and as always, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I'm here at my day job, and I'm actually doing some renovation work on a kitchen. We're putting in some new cabinets and things. And a lot of times, when you go through and you're doing construction work, you come upon work that's been done by somebody else that may not be really good work. And here's the thing I will say. I don't want to belittle anybody who's doing some work or trying to learn, but if you do not know what you're doing, please get a professional. Get a professional, please. Because some of the things you could do could burn down your house, could be a safety issue, could do real damage to what you're doing. So, at this house, I came across this beauty. We're in the utility room. And let me flip. There's so much wrong with this that it's not even funny. What's crazy is they ended up taking a ground wire and they just grounded it here with a pipe clamp onto this. If you look up inside here, there's the ground wire right there that should be tied in. Now, putting an outlet into the round box is completely wrong. And in fact, leaving this thing out here just as it is, somebody goes ahead and they touch right there, that's going to shock the crap out of you. Or they can end up with this wire hitting here and grounding out the system and energizing that. To make it worse, look at this. Right here, somebody has gone through to do the wiring here, and instead of using an angle drill to go in here and get an angle into it, mind you, they ended up using about an inch thick holes. Now, here's the problem. By code, you can't drill into the joists within 2 inches of the top or the bottom. Reason being is, now you have created a weak spot in here. If you drill in between that 2 inches of the top and the bottom, it keeps the strength and the integrity. So now basically you've taken this 2 by 10 and made it the equivalent of about a 2 by 8. Yeah. To make it even worse, whomever did some of the work, as we went through to take out the dishwasher, if you've ever hooked up a dishwasher before, the dishwasher has a metal box that's up underneath of it, and in the back of it there's a hole that's made for a Loctite connector. The wire goes into it, you've got a green screw inside of it that you ground the whole system to it, and you make your wire connections, put the cover on it. That way, if somebody pulls out the dishwasher, it's grounded and it won't pull the wire out of it. The dishwasher, they pulled the wire, the black and the white wire, out of that hole and ended up wire nutting it underneath of it and having no ground. Yeah. Thing is, somebody could have pulled out the dishwasher, and now you've got hot wires that are getting caught and potentially causing a problem. Or with the wire nuts laying on the floor, you could have had a leak without a ground, it not grounding out and getting cut off and literally energizing the water on the floor where somebody could get the crap shocked out of them. So please, if you don't know, please get a professional. I'm constantly seeing people on Facebook that are posting, and I don't know if they're a joke or not, because you end up seeing things like this where people ask, is this the right way to do it? I honestly hope that those are people posting things that they've seen and they're not intentionally doing stuff like this and literally asking for help on Facebook, okay? That's not the thing to do. When you do work, you want to do good work that is not going to hurt anybody, especially you. Isn't that right? Yep, you don't want to hurt anybody. And that's my tips for the day. We are redoing this kitchen, and we've had to actually patch up some holes and stuff in the wall where they literally had wires just hanging out of it, put in electrical boxes, and we're painting all of this and getting it done properly. There you have it. Be sure to follow along, hit the like button. Joe Boo's Day Job, and I'll see you soon.